Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, relationship ruptures. Have you ever wondered why it hurts so much when you've had a rupture in your relationship? And why you can feel pain even after small disagreements? If this has happened to you, you're not alone. For many people, the most intense emotional pain they'll experience happens during a rupture of connection. Disconnecting from your partner triggers anxiety and sometimes feelings of abandonment. The emotional pain can even morph into physical pain. There's a couple of reasons why you feel this way, and they have to do with when you first came into the world. During your time in the womb, all of your needs were being taken care of instantaneously thanks to your umbilical cord. When you left the womb and entered the world, your cord was cut, and for a while, every time one of your needs wasn't met instantaneously, it became a threat to your survival. Therefore, a pattern began forming in your brain, something like, no caretaker equals death. And in your early days, that pattern fired over and over, becoming deeply embedded in your old brain. Of course, your old brain is still operating, mostly out of your conscious awareness. So anytime you experience a rupture of connection with your partner today, it can cause that painful old pattern to fire. So try the following tips. Whenever a rupture occurs, begin a repair process as soon as possible. Remember that while the relationship rupture is the primary cause of pain, a secondary, long-term pain will arise if no effort is made to repair the rupture. Couples often feel stuck and like they can't move forward until the repair process begins. The words, "I'm sorry," might work for small ruptures. For the bigger ones, you need to show the following: ownership of your behavior, understanding of how your behavior hurt your partner, and a willingness to modify your behaviors so something like that will not happen again. And finally, work hard to let go of your need to be right so you can really hear your partner. So until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.